Hello, my name is Swati Ravane. Today I am going to tell about seminar topic studies on utility of important biocontrolling agent BRCA inhibitor against Lepidopteran host. About problem indiscriminate use of insecticides for the last 3 decades has brought about innumerable serious environmental problems like development of insect resistance to insecticides, elimination of natural enemies of crop pests from many crop ecosystems, leaving pesticide residues in agricultural products causing serious health hazards to users and consumers, and contamination of water, soil, and air. These have necessitated looking for alternative systems of pest control which are eco-friendly, sustainable, and less expensive. Biological pest suppression is an ideal alternative of insecticides and is one such a method which offers excellent scope for pest management without upsetting the balance of nature. It is the cornerstone of integrated pest management, that is IPM, along with host plant resistance, central to the pest management paradigm according to Ananta Krishnam in 1996. My idea is to study comparative biology of BRCA inhibitor on some Lepidopteran hosts to determine the suitability for development of the parasitoid, to determine the relative toxicity of some synthetic insecticides and botanicals for their safety against BRCA inhibitor in laboratory condition, to study effect of different regimes of temperature, relative humidity, and photoperiod on some biological traits of BRCA inhibitor, to study behavior of BRCA inhibitor with special reference to mating, feeding, and attraction to light. Working principles are mass production of Curcera cephalonica in laboratory. The rearing of Curcera will undertaken in wooden boxes of 45 by 30 by 15 cm size with well-fitted lid. The yeast powder of 29 gram per 2.50 kg crushed grains will added in each rearing boxes to enhance nutritive values for food material. Production of BRCA inhibitor on Curcera cephalonica. To initiate laboratory culture of BRCA inhibitor, parasitized larvae of Curcera cephalonica will obtained from fields of Mahatma Krishi Vidyapith Rauri and cultured in laboratory by using sandwich method. Mass production of host insect Helicoverpa armigera. Actively feeding larvae of H. armigera will collected from fields of Mahatma Krishi Vidyapith Rauri. They are maintained on chickpea based artificial diet in laboratory under controlled condition of temperature 27 degrees Celsius and humidity 60%, photoperiod 16s to 8. Target outcomes from these studies are: the proposed study offers biological control method which can be used as an alternative of insecticides, and it can offer excellent scope for pest management without disturbing balance of nature. It is cornerstone of integrated pest management. The developed method is expected to provide valuable support to the farmers in increasing crop production eco-friendly and economically. If the population of biocontroller, that is BRCA inhibitor, controls the majority of crop pests of Lepidoptera, hence the productivity of field crop are going to increase, saving of excess expenditure on insecticidal agents. The biological control is the best method for pest control as well as to increase better standard of living of the Indian peoples as well as farmers and balance the ecosystem. Thank you.